So first, if you want to submit the homework and you want to send by a file, you need this one, say the student class. Okay, and this one we open with Notepad++. This one is a simple student class. For example, I haven't write anything yet. Okay, I haven't write a sample solution yet. But now, if this file I want to send it to you, so here, let me see. So I create to somebody. Just open this one, right? I don't know, but you are my friend. Let me see. No, this one. I don't think.
I'm not yet.
You are not my friend, right? So please register my friend. So first you go to here. This one, facebook.com/Dr. Eric Chow, okay? This one, and just become a friend with me. Okay, then if not sending to you, for example, sending to myself, right? I have other account. Say, let me send to myself. Say this one is my personal account. So here, if I want to send it, I just click this add file, right? And then come to here, right? The files, try to locate the file. So usually that is the file you actually set up to do programming. So you need to know where it is. So here you have a few files. You have package, readme, and student. So select student, and then hit return. Right here, so hit return. So you will actually send to, okay? Your friend, yeah, your friend request, okay? So I'll send it to you, right? So that's one way to send it. Second way to send it is like, for example, you are using Gmail. Now let me send it to Gmail. So here, for example, I click this one, click my Gmail. Okay, and I think you are my contact here, right? So let me try this one, right? 10 whatever this one. So here, sample transmission. Okay.
Yeah, I got it. I just got it.
Okay, so here actually I can do this. This one is easy. So this one I think is easy. You probably know how to do it. And
I sent it to you on Facebook.
Okay. Now this one actually, let me complete it. Okay, let me complete it because some other student may not know it right now. Okay, so here I still just pick a solution file. Right now this is not a real solution, but I just click like this, right? That's one file. But if I want to do the whole directory, say I want to send out this week 3 solution, even though this one is the wrong one, okay, it's not right answer. So what I would do is that I would click this one, left click this one, and then right click this one, and then send to. You just send to archive. And this one called PZIP will come up. Okay, and I click OK. And then here has a zip file. So go back to Gmail. And then one level up, there's a solution 3, week 3 solution. And these 2 files. Okay, so right here, I just put it together. That's the way you send out a homework, okay? So, but if you don't have PZIP, you can go to here, peazip.org. Or if you prefer, you can also download the other version called 7zip, www.7-zip.org. Both of them are free, okay? Both of them are free. So you don't need to pay anything for using these softwares. Any question for this sending of the homework?
No, I got it now.
Okay, good. Okay, but again, I will need to want everybody to try to become a friend with me. Okay. Then if you have some problem, you just type here. I'll answer it. Okay. Some of the students actually they have a long-term relationship with me, so they actually keep submitting questions here, and I will answer. Okay. That's one very efficient way to communicate. But right now, I have only probably 3 or 4 students in this IVMS class sign up with me, but very rarely somebody asks question. So you should utilize this channel, okay? Try to make the best use of the channel. And also, also always remember to go to this one called Piazza. Go to Piazza to check the homework. There are several different homework solution over here. Bye now.
Okay.